So I
Nice.
think we should take a look at that right now.
We got here.
Members of Congress, I am honored to present the semi-annual review of federal monetary policy. These are my opening remarks. Secretary Yellen, please hit play.
Wow.
You should all know that the honor is yours. Daddy Powell's got the hooks, and he's closing them doors. Think you're shit because you won a congressional district? I'll steal your girl in your house. Keep your money constricted. While you come at the king, you best not miss. So ask your dumb f***ing questions, but remember me this, what you know about bonds, or the Inflation X food. You can't work a smartphone, but your mom can send me nudes? What? I'm the monetary Buddha. The target's still 2 and I roll up in this bitch and spit bars like Hawk Tua. So, take a bow when you see J. Powell. What? Yeah, smoke that loud when you see J. Powell. Head to towel when you see J. Powell. That's it.
Wow.
Powell out.
Wow. Damn, he's getting
Got
loose.
bars.